Hi, I am Jonathan Lilia, one of the financial planners at CCR Wealth Management. As part of CCR's continuing series of financial videos, we are putting together this brief video discussing elder abuse. Today I'll discuss three related topics: elder abuse, estate planning, and POLST, physician orders for life-sustaining treatment. Let's start with elder abuse. Each year, hundreds of thousands of men and women aged 60 plus suffer elder abuse. This is defined as physical abuse, neglect, or financial exploitation. Experts believe there are plenty more cases which are unreported, since reported cases only show up when elders go to hospital ERs, doctor's offices, or reports are filed with state agencies or police. While most people assume elder abuse can and does only occur in nursing homes or assisted living facilities, the truth is more complicated. Often, this abuse sadly occurs at the hands of family members, caregivers, or friends, even in one's own home. This maltreatment occurs in older adults with disabilities, memory problems, or dementia, and occurs with those needing assistance bathing, dressing, and/or taking medicines. It is important to pay attention for and recognize the signs of elder abuse. Some of these include the elder looking messy, unwashed, wearing dirty clothes, being withdrawn, losing weight, having scars, bruises, cuts, or bed sores, lacking medical aids such as hearing aids, walkers, or canes. Another sign of elder abuse pertains to their financial well-being. Many seniors are taken advantage of when they inadvertently disclose their financial information online. Financial abuse can occur simply with someone assisting the elder who overpays or underpays their bills and pockets the funds thinking no one is watching the elder's financial affairs. If you suspect an elder is suffering from any type of abuse, you can try talking with the person privately, saying you are worried about them, to see how things are in their lives. You can report your concern to the elder's doctor. You can also contact state or local associations or centers for assistance. In Massachusetts, where I am, you can contact Elder Protective Services at 800-922-2275. Last, if you suspect there's an urgent need for assistance with a particular elder, you can always call 911 or your local police for assistance. The next two topics I'd like to discuss relate to an elder's wishes regarding their care. And let's start with estate planning. I mentioned estate planning during this conversation about elder abuse because an elder is more protected if they have these important documents in place before they are needed. Naming strong and protected people in an estate plan helps to serve as a buffer against elder financial or physical abuse. These documents can ensure that good financial decisions and healthcare decisions are made when the elder is unable to act. While individuals can certainly buy their own estate planning kits, such as through LegalZoom, and do their own work, estate planning is typically a process conducted by a client working with a lawyer to draft tailor-made legal documents. These documents are designed to protect the client's wishes and how and when their property will be passed when they are gone, typically done through a will or a trust. But good estate plans are more encompassing than just passing property to the next generation and cover finances and healthcare decisions while a client is living. Elders can be protected financially through a power of attorney, allowing a trusted person in a client's life to make financial decisions for the client when the client isn't able or unavailable. Further, an elder can have medical wishes protected through a health care proxy, which allows a trusted person to help the elder when he or she is medically unable to make decisions. While some states may have slightly different names for these documents, they all do roughly the same job as highlighted above. Due to the limited finances of some elders and their probable medical needs, Some elders may require the services of an elder planning attorney to draft the documents mentioned above, as well as to help a client apply for Medicaid. This is very complicated niche work. If you are a layman thinking about applying for Medicaid on your own or for a loved one, please seek the services of an elder planning attorney who specializes in this work. The laws surrounding Medicaid change often, and the effects can be quite serious if the rules are not followed, and may include an elder's coverage for these programs being delayed or outright denied. So please seek legal assistance in this area. The last document I'd like to discuss is a physician's order for life-sustaining treatment, or POLST. Again, each state has slightly different names for these documents. In some, it is called a POST. In Massachusetts, it is called a MOLST. Whatever your state names these documents, this document gives more control to a seriously ill or frail individual over their healthcare decisions versus a do not resuscitate order, or allowing the healthcare proxy to make the decisions the elder truly wants. Through a POLST, an elder can specifically state whether they want specific treatments or procedures, such as whether CPR will be started, whether the elder will be ventilated, or placed on any type of feeding tubes, or even medicated. This document leaves the elder with greater control over the care they wish to receive if and when that point comes. In order for a POLST to be activated, the document needs to be signed by the elder and the medical care provider to ensure all questions are answered and the elder understands the consequences of this document and the decisions they're making. These medical decisions must be followed by EMTs, paramedics, family members, and ERs, and they remain in effect until the document is changed. I hope this video provided some good basic information about elder abuse, basic estate planning, and POLST activation to allow the elder to receive the care and the protection they need. Thank you for your time, and please feel free to contact CCR Wealth Management with any questions regarding these issues or generally for your financial planning and investment management needs.